Now we're all pumped up and we're ready to roll again.
Any more tires?
We'll double check all of them before we roll.
All right. So we got a second tire?
Yep. Yeah, just barely.
And what this is just a roadside emergency tire inflator, but it has seen some good use on the farm between a tractor tire and then on the hoops.
All right, I think we're good to go.
Ready to hook up?
All right, yep, we're all done.
And that is tire number 3.
All right, let's check this last one. All right, so this is the last one on the big turkey hoop. Unfortunately, this is our only hoop that has inflatable tires. The other ones have got the plastic tires, but this one also rolls the best when they're inflated. So here's the last one. Right, and we are in business. So now I will take out the feeder before I move the hoop, because I have made the mistake of moving this hoop with the feeder inside, and it therefore has had to have the leg replaced on it. So let's get these guys on some fresh ground for a little bit. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe.